This is our weekly presentation for InaVest Lifestyle Trading. My name is Aumar Rashid. I am the CEO of company InaVest. We have started in January 2020. This is an amazing project where we have managed to create, we're going to be creating a legacy for everyone where people can control their own funds so that we do not take anybody's investment. So make it clear. InaVest does not take anybody's investment. Everybody keeps their investment funds in their own control. So this is an amazing project. How is it possible that people have money in their own control and they can still make money, and we can also make money? So let's find out a bit more about this project. Before I go into my presentation with slides to cover exactly how this whole project works, let me read out the legal statement, which is: trading Forex is risky. This is not a solicitation to invest. Only trade with money you can afford to lose. Past performances are not indicative of future results. Okay? Suppose we might have produced very good, amazing results. That doesn't mean we will have the same results every single month. So it does vary depending on the market conditions. Okay. So what type of customers do we take? We take two types of customers. Number one, self-certified sophisticated investors. These are the people who have done some sort of investments in the past. So they are aware of the various factors which can lead to any profit. There is always a possibility of making a loss as well. So here we are here to minimize the losses. Okay, the risk management strategies are in place. But those people who have never done any investment, they always work like 9 to 5 jobs. They've never seen even a £10 loss here. So those people might get nervous. So we want to make sure people who join us, they actually know exactly how Forex trading works. So once they understand the basics of it, you don't have to master it. Once you understand what sort of business you're getting involved, so you can sign that agreement and become a member. The second type of people are the high net worth individuals. These are the potentially millionaire people who are earning over £100,000 a year. So they can also sign this agreement and they can also become our member. Okay. So what is Forex? Forex is an abbreviation for foreign exchange. Okay, this is where one of the biggest market in the world, where approximately $6 trillion worth of currencies are traded every single day, Monday to Friday. This is 24 hours a day. This is where the banks, the financial institutions, the hedge fund companies, they are all trading on this market. So how does it work? This is where the buying and selling of currency happens simultaneously, and the traders are here to speculate the market. They'll follow the news, they look at the trends, and there are so many other indicators. They follow that and they execute a trade. So it could be in a buy order or a sell order. So for example, the currency pairs, for example, apart from currencies, we also do in metals. So it's, for example, gold versus US dollar, or it could be silver versus US dollar or silver versus euro. Currencies, for example, pound versus Japanese yen or euro versus US dollar. These are some of the examples. There are approximately 15 major currencies, and there are other some exotic currencies as well and minor currencies, but there are about 15 major currencies are traded in this market. So our team of online and offline entrepreneurs who've got plenty of experience, we want people to take advantage of this and then make a profit from this market. So those people who have traded in the past themselves, they realize trading can be easy, but it's very hard to make money from this market. So the statistics show approximately 75% of retail traders actually lose money in this market. So it's not easy for them. So they might have lost the confidence to do the trading themselves and carry on. So we actually want them to gain the confidence back by allowing our experienced trader to actually trade for them so that they can earn the passive income via our copy trade service. The proof of trading, compared to so many other companies, sometimes they don't show you the proof of trading. Here you have access to your own MT4 app, and you can actually download this app and you can see the trades being executed. You can see different strategies being applied as well. So this is the evidence everybody can see that every trade, wherever we made any profit, wherever we made any loss for them, they can see everything on their own smartphone. We have 3 different traders. Our existing trader is called the Ocean Swing, but this is the trader which has over 2 decades of trading experience, a very patient and very long-term trader. He waits for the swing of the currency to happen in his own favor and then close the trade in profit. But our new trader is Eastern Dragon. Eastern Dragon opens the trades in the morning and then throughout the day, we can see whenever trade goes into profit, it approximately opens 2 trades every day. So those people who have seen this week the trader has started has made good profits so far this week, and it closes all the trades. So we do not see any drawdown. It's very, very low drawdown in this case. So those people who want to withdraw money regularly, so this is an ideal trader for them. Elite trader is somebody who's going to be starting hopefully by next month. This is where elite trader is scalping, which is the short trades, quick in, quick out of the market. So this type of trading sometimes is preferred by some investors. So we have got that trader lined up as well to start very soon. What makes us unique is that we only charge £10 per month connection fee, which is a small amount, which is the cost of hosting any member's account on our system. So we connect to our master account. So you don't need any complex IT skills. You don't need any trading skills. We do all the connection for you. Remember, once again, as I said in the beginning, that your funds are in your control, in your broker account, and you giving us access of your MT4 account login details so that our experience, we have 3 experienced traders. One of them has got 25 years of experience in trading, will be trading on your account. How does our trader service work? Once we trade every single week, trading starts on Sunday night UK time, and then by Friday night 10 o'clock UK time the trading finishes. So we will send you an invoice normally on whether it's Friday night or any time before Sunday. We will send you at weekend an invoice, which will in your email you will see the invoice attached, which will tell you how much is the total profit you made that week. And then out of that total profit, the 30% is our performance fee, which you have to pay to InaVest. So basically, if we don't make profit for you, we do not charge you anything that week, okay? But if we make profit for you, then that's when we send you an invoice. So people are happy that they only pay when they make any profits. If once people are happy with our service, a majority of our members are happy with this, so what they do is some of them choose to refer to other friends or family members, and you can refer to anybody around the world, as long as that country allows you to do trading, so the whole world is your market. So you can refer as many people as you want, and we will reward you 5% affiliate commission every single week. So for example, if you introduce one customer, that customer, whatever profit is made in 1 week, for example, that person makes £100 profit, you will get 5%, which is £5 that week. Because you introduce that customer once, and every single week, whatever profit that customer makes, you will keep on getting 5%. Now, sometimes those customers are happy and they top up more funds in their account. So yes, you will still again get 5% commission on that new profit based on a higher balance now. Okay, some people might put in £50,000. They might have only started with £200 to test our traders. Okay, so when later on, when they're making a bigger amount of profits, you will still earn 5% of the total profit made on that account on that week. And because this is the beauty of the residual income, basically what happens is you work once and you earn commission every single week. So this is a beautiful opportunity. You can become our affiliate member. Anybody can become an affiliate member. It's completely free of charge. How much minimum investment do you need for our ocean sync trader, which is going to be starting at £1,000, but we have a special offer running for a while now, which is £500. So those people who want to take advantage of that, you can take and start with £500. For Eastern Dragon and Elite Trader starting soon, and Eastern Dragon has already started this week, the minimum amount is £200. So this is a really good entry for those people who cannot afford a big amount of money, especially in Asia and Africa, where people cannot afford, majority of the people cannot afford a big amount of investment. So they can even start with £200. And you can have a broker of your own choice in your own country, so you don't have to use any broker in a different country. You can, if you can find a broker which gives us 500 to 1 leverage, the base currency as GBP, an account type as raw spread or ECN, and for Muslims the Islamic account. So you can actually use any broker with those credentials. If you cannot find a broker which gives you this leverage and the account type, then we suggest you can actually go to our website. We have a recommended broker, and you can open an account from there. Our vision is to make foreign exchange accessible to everybody around the world, regardless of the investment or technical knowledge or experience. I just suggest to people, whoever are playing on the screen and writing, please can you stop it? Otherwise you will be expelled from the room and you will not be able to join again. So our objective is to provide our community with products to help them build their wealth and reach financial independence and prosperity. So how do we get connected? So as I mentioned earlier on, you need to open a broker account, which is completely free of charge to open one, just like a bank account. You have to upload your ID, proof of address. Sometimes it's done electronically if you've been living at the same address for a long time. To fund the account, we recommend to use your debit card, Visa or MasterCard. You have to also upload the photo of that card so your card is verified, and you use the same card to fund your account and same card to withdraw your funds as well, and there are no charges. Once you have opened a broker account, account is approved, you can fund your account and then come to our website called InaVest.net. And you can click on register now and fill a small form there to actually register with us. As I said previously, if you do not know the broker or if you don't already have a broker account, you can still go to our website InaVest.net, and there is a link for IC Markets broker, which is based in Australia. We recommend that broker, and you can join from that link as well. Once you fill the registration form, we will send you a welcome email with your membership ID. This is the membership ID you have to mention when you make the payments in your reference, so we know exactly who is making the payment. On that welcome email, you will see our payment details and our bank details or Bitcoin or any other payment processes you want to use to pay us, and you have to pay £10 to us. This is the connection fee. And then the first of every single month, you have to pay the £10 hosting fee. Okay, so £10 joining fee. At any time you can join from 1st all the way till the 31st, any time of the month. And then the following month, you have to pay the £10 again on the 1st of every month. Some people can choose to download the MT4 app and they can see the trading. If you choose not to do that, because some people are busy and they don't want that headache of watching the trades fluctuating price up and down, then all you need to do is just wait for our email at the weekend, which will tell you how much profit you have made, and you can just, that will be enough for you to, minimum things you need to do, basically check our email at the weekend, and you will have about approximately 5 days, so the following Friday, to make that payment. please make the payments on time, otherwise you risk of your account being disconnected from our system. Yeah. So always when you check your emails and make a payment within 5 working days. So that as a simple business where customers are in control of their own funds, and we send them the invoice, they make a payment, and they are happy with the trading and they can carry on. So we would like people to share this idea with as many people around the world, and test out our new traders as well. Anybody can have multiple accounts you can with each trader. So for example, with Ocean Swing, you can have one account, you can open another account with another trader, Eastern Dragon, and you can open a third account. Same with the IC markets, you can just go open another live account and you can test all 3 traders if you want to, or we can let you know the results of these traders and then you can choose later. That's also your choice. So now I will allow people to unmute themselves if they've got any questions regarding our company policies, our strategies, risk management, about any information about our traders. This is the opportunity to ask those questions. The only thing I would suggest you not to ask is asking the traders in which direction the current running trades are going to go. This is a speculation analysis based on a lot of factors. It's not easy. And in the past, people have been asking that question, and this doesn't actually achieve any results yet. So we want people to ask fruitful questions which are helpful to everyone regarding our company and our strategies, rather than the future prediction of the trades. You can also use a chat box to type any questions. You can raise hands as well, or you can just unmute and ask.
Omar, just before we go on, just everybody, before anybody, because people can start asking questions all at the same time, it's better if you raise your hand and then we can all mute you and we can ask you questions.
Aisha, you raised hands. Please.
Yes, assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam.
Okay, how are you? You're doing a great job, I must say. And actually, the question I want to ask is, sometimes if you're in trades, right? And then let's say the money in the account, let's say the equity is, let's say, £2,000, for example. And then the money in the account is like maybe 1,800, and maybe that person came in with 1,500, right? And then the account is growing, and then that week you say, okay, we've made £200 on it. So is that person supposed to pay the percentage on the £200? Because for me, the trades have not closed. So when the trades are not closed, are you still going to charge, or what? Or you have to wait for the trades to close? You know, that's a very important thing I noticed.
Thank you very much for that question. Yes, just to let you know, we only send invoice based on closed trades, okay? Because the running trades depends on which trader it is. Like Ocean Swing will carry on running the trades sometimes for weeks and months. So we cannot send invoice because we do not know how much profit are we going to make. If that trade is still running and is still showing negative figures, we may decide not to close that trade. So therefore, there will be no profit showing where we can send you an invoice. So it's only based on closed trades by Friday. Okay.
Okay, that's okay. Thank you.
Welcome. Anybody else got any question? Just to update you regarding the new trader Eastern Dragon, which started this week on Monday. today is the third day, so we've seen approximately 6%. I think it's over 6% profit in the first 3 days so far. So we will keep you updated, obviously, how that trader performs. Yes, it's over 6%. For a £200 account, it is more than £12 profit already. So that means 6% is achieved in just 3 days. So that shows a very good track record so far. I've been following this trader for the last year. For 1 year, I've been following this trader, and I was happy to actually take this trader on board. And I'm proud that whatever I was expecting, so far in the first 3 days is as expected. The trader is performing exactly like that. So we'll keep you updated on the performance of that trader. I know some people have actually opened a second account with £200 or £500, whatever, and you can actually test that trader. Yes, you still have to pay another £10 hosting fee, and you still have to pay 30% performance fees, exactly the same terms and conditions. If anybody wanted to switch traders, get in touch with us. Yes, you will have that freedom to switch over, but as long as there are no running trades. Yeah, if there are running trades, then it might be difficult for us to switch over, because once there's no running trades on the account, then we can switch over. If there are running trades, then the trader will know better, and then he can advise. Ocean Swing, our experienced trader, is also going to be supervising all the new traders as well, and he can actually guide all the new members on if anybody wants to switch traders, and he can advise you accordingly.
Okay, Aumar, right. As there's no
questions?
questions coming up, I just want to add something about the traders as well. So currently, I'm trading as Ocean. We've got Eastern Dragon, who just joined us this week. Definitely by the start of next month, we're going to have Elite Trader joining us as well. Now, all traders trade differently. Some traders trade better in the summer months, some in the winter months, some long-term, short-term. Now, with my trades, they're on longer term. With Eastern Dragon, they're very, very short-term trades. Now, I think you're also going to like Elite Trader when he comes along. He works in a very, very different way. When he comes along, we'll introduce his trading style at that time. We're also looking for extra traders in the next 2 to 3 months. So we could eventually have a team of 10 or 12 traders trading in totally different styles. You will have the opportunity at will, subject to closed trades, to change traders, because what you'll realize is for a few weeks you like this style, for a few weeks you might like another style. We do advise you at least stay with a trader for a month or so, because it could be a situation that the trader is not happy with their setup, because as a professional trader, what a professional trader will do is wait for certain setups to come on his or her charts. Now, that can take many weeks to set up, but once it's set up, it can actually have a roller coaster of events of really good trades. So do allow a trader about a month before you decide that, you know what, I want to change over to another trader, check out another trader. And how you will see those results, what we're going to do, we're going to create a page on the website as well, which will tell you on a weekly basis how many pips this trader has gained this week, what trades did the trader go into. So we're going to have a little bio on that every single week. It will build a picture up over the next few months for you guys to be able to take advantage of. So I hope that helps. Do regularly come to these Zoom calls, guys. You know, it's every single Wednesday. We were holding them 3 days a week, but currently we're holding them 1 day. We do have other work to do as well. So for that reason, this is an opportunity call. So if you want to make money as an affiliate, which a lot of you are doing, so you're probably doing better at your affiliates than you're doing from your own trading accounts. Others have used their affiliate money to top up their trading account to increase their own profits. So do invite people here. try and invite 2 or 3 people every single week to attend this Zoom call. It's in your benefit. You know, a lot of companies charge their members to become affiliates. We don't charge you to become an affiliate. The only thing we ever charge, which is outside of profit, is a £10 monthly hosting fee, which is a cost to us. But other than that, we only get paid once we perform. So take full advantage of what you have here. This is just going to get better and better and better. With our knowledge and education packs being released at the end of this year, so next year, it will get even better. We'll have even better news coming for you in the next few months. So that's all from you, Umar. Back over to yourself.
Thank you very much, Ocean Swing Trader. You are not only the Ocean Swing, but you are supervisor of all the traders, and you're closely monitoring everybody's trading and the strategies they're using, so that you can always guide our members. Because some traders are not happy to come in these Zoom meetings, but we will monitor their trading and we will update you on their strategies and their performances, how much profits they are making. Hopefully you will see something very soon on our website with their performance results as well. So that way you can also decide, but we will definitely be sharing those on our weekly presentations as well. If anybody else have got any questions? Okay, if nobody else has got any questions, thank you very much everybody for joining us on our weekly presentation. Hope to see you next time, but don't forget, in the meantime, if anybody doesn't want to wait till next week, you can actually request a one-to-one Zoom presentation. If you're not available on Wednesday evening, we will accommodate that. And also, if you've got any questions in the meantime, you can go to our website, go to support@inavest.net. You can actually email us. If anybody's on the WhatsApp, you can also question us on the WhatsApp, or people have been phoning me. Please, if recently I've seen loads of people phoning me, try to minimize the phone calls so that I can focus on my other work. If you do phone me, please try to make a short call, say within 5 minutes. That will be helpful. Because if you make a long call for 15-20 minutes, that will means basically I cannot focus on some other works which I'm doing. So I request you, please, my numbers are still available. People can contact me, but try to make it a short call if you can. Text me if you can. Anything, I'll get back to you if I'm not available. So thank you very much for joining. I hope to see you next Wednesday at 7 o'clock. Please do share the ideas with other people and do monitor our trading performances. And I hope that everybody will be happy and satisfied to share the idea with other people. Thank you very much. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.
Well,